Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome to my investment channel. So in this channel, I'm gonna talk about my investment experience as well as some thoughts on some stocks I've picked. So today I want to talk about Facebook. Stock ticker is FB. Before I'm gonna start it, I want to have a disclaimer that all the content is based on the data collected and my own opinion, and I'm not a professional financial advisor. So if you guys want to make some investment decision, please search and think carefully before you make a decision. So yeah, let's get started. So there are several reasons why I think Facebook is a good investment. I will talk about from three perspectives. The first one is the fundamental side, second one is financial side, and third one is the technical side. So from the fundamental side, Facebook has been a leader in the industry of social media, and it has a huge group of user base, like its product like Facebook app, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. In total, it has more than 2 billion users across the world. That's a huge number. And not just it has a large amount of user base, the user usually spend a lot of time on those platforms. Like Facebook users spend like average 30 something minutes per day on the platform, while Instagram users spend like 28 minutes a day on the platform. So those two factors brings the big profitability to the platform, because a lot of marketers would like to do advertisement on those platforms and acquire customers they're looking for. So if we look at the 10K report of Facebook, we can see that their profitability is the average revenue per user is more than $40 per person for the last quarter, like 2019 quarter 4, and that figure is for North America. And for the worldwide, the average revenue generated by per user is like $8. So that makes Facebook's product not just very profitable. I would say that they monetize their products very well, but it also brings a high growth. So next, I'm gonna look at their financial data. So if you are looking at the net income of Facebook, so in the past 3 years, it has been growing from $4,200 million to $7,000 million, except in 2019 in quarter 1 and quarter 2. The growth has been slowed down and decreased a little bit. It's because Facebook has paid a huge fine to the regulators because of the user privacy issue. But other than that, the growth has been steady, and I can expect in the next 3 years there will still be user growth. You may say that the market in North America seems already saturated. They already have a large user base in North America, but if you look at their user in geological features, there's still a lot of growth in other areas of the world, like in Asian countries and in other countries other than North American and Europe. So I believe there's still space for Facebook to grow. And third, another factor I would look into is their cash flow. I think one feature is very important to see is whether the company have enough cash to support them during the bad economy times, maybe even recession times. So currently Facebook have 4,800 million cash, and that means that they can spend the cash whether in investment or in operation or in other R&D development. They have enough resources to support and to growth. And lastly, I'm going to talk about the stock price from technical perspective and whether it's a good opportunity to buy or sell. So currently, today Facebook stock price is 107. The highest stock price is 193. And so for technical analysis, I usually look at some indicators. So I recently used one app called Smart Stock Screener, and I look at the indicators like MACD and also RSI and also Magic 9, which is their own indicator to predict the future trend of stock. So when I look at the MACD, I can see that the green line already crossed the yellow line from downside to upside, and the green bar seems a little bit decreasing and increasing, and the green bar shows that more people are buying Facebook than sell. So that shows that Facebook's stock price probably is continue to grow for a while before a next cross happen. And so, looking at the single indicator may not enough. So I will also look at RSI. And so the current RSI for Facebook is 63, which is very close to 70. The sign of overbought. So I would say that for this indicator shows Facebook stock price is already very high, and so for that reason, I will not buy in Facebook stock at this point. My best price to buy Facebook is like 140 to 150. It's like what happened in 2018 in December, I think, in the winter of 2018. But I'm not sure whether that good price will become soon. So yeah. So currently my position on Facebook is not very big. I'm gonna still hold this position for like around a year, and because I strongly believe the company have a great growth potential, and I think the stock price will reflect that. So some of my friends, when I chat with him the other day, he said like, seems TikTok is the new trend and Facebook is not popular anymore. So with this research, I can show him and tell him that like with all the years of accumulation since Facebook started in 2004, it has a lot of advantage, like first mover advantage and the user data advantage and technology advantage over other like competitors who is newly startup. I would say that Facebook is still the dominant in the market, and for my own opinion, I think Facebook platform and Snapchat, WhatsApp is not very easy replaceable by other competitors very soon, because users do have the stickiness and users do get used to their app features. So yeah, so I really think it's a good stock to invest, and yeah, I think that's all I want to talk about today. So if you guys like this type of video, please hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!